Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, honorable judges of the SMA Awards. My name is Aras Marlene Gali Panganibuan from the First National High School of Surabaya. Today, I will be discussing about the motion specifically made for this competition. The motion states that this House would give social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. Now, I agree with this motion because, in my opinion, this motion is far more productive and effective than traditional imprisonment. But before I go into why, let me go into what. What is a gambling addiction? In the DSM-5, or the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, more specifically the 5th edition, gambling addiction is called a gambling disorder, which falls under addicting disorders. Now, we can all agree that a gambling disorder is a mental illness, correct? If that is so, why would we throw mentally ill people that can still be cured, can still act as normal civilians when given the work? Why are we putting them into prison when we should instead be putting them in rehabilitation camps? Prisons are not a cure-all, not a solution for every single evil thing that a person would do. Prisons in general are just not as effective at reforming gambling addicts as effectively as this motion can. Because, as I've said before, Indonesian prisons are cramped, they are full, they are a bad environment for people who are able to reform, able to become better when given the time and resources to. They are not a good place to be placed inside of a prison. That makes the chance of a reformed gambling addict coming out of such a bad environment, a prison, very unlikely. At the same time, economically, it is much cheaper to send people to rehabilitation camps than to prisons as well. It is more effective, more cheaper, it makes more sense, and it is just the right thing to do. Thank you for listening to my statements, listening to my points. That will be all from me. This is Aras Marina Gali Panganibuan, and I will be seeing you soon. Thank you.